Hey traders, welcome back to the FX Geek. Today we're checking out Funder Pro, a prop firm that just dropped one of the most impactful updates we've seen lately. And honestly, it's a big one. Starting April 15th, all traders on Funder Pro, whether you're doing the challenge or already funded, will now enjoy completely commission-free trading across every instrument. Now, if you're thinking of getting funded with Funder Pro, don't forget, we've got a special treat for you. Use the code FXGEEK for 10% off your challenge fee. I've dropped the link in the description, so make sure to check that out and save yourself a bit of cash on the way in. In this video, we're going to cover everything from their funding structure, trading rules, platform support, and payout system to how this commission-free update might actually help you grow your account faster. Let's head over to their website and dive into the details. Alright, so let's jump straight into the Funder Pro homepage. And right away, they hit us with some bold claims. Payouts from the first trade, no hidden rules. That's a huge hook, especially for traders tired of restrictive profit conditions. They're pushing transparency hard here, and that's a refreshing change. Unlike many firms that bury their rules in the fine print, Funder Pro puts it all front and center. They claim to be the only prop firm that funds you with real capital. And whether that's marketing or fact, we'll dig deeper to find out. Now, just below the headline, you've got a quick list of features, and honestly, it's a strong lineup. They offer daily payouts, so no more waiting weeks to get your profits. An 80% profit split, which is right in line with top-tier firms. A book execution for funded traders, meaning your trades actually hit the real market instead of being simulated or B-book. You also get 24/7 support if anything goes sideways. No trailing drawdown, which gives you more breathing room in volatile markets, and the ability to hold trades over news and weekends, a massive plus for swing traders. Trustpilot rating is also shown here, sitting at a solid great. While that alone doesn't guarantee anything, it's definitely a good sign when traders are publicly vouching for a firm's reliability. And right below all that, they've even displayed real payout certificates, actual proof of traders getting funded and paid. That adds some extra trust and social proof to back their claims. So far, Funder Pro is giving off strong first impressions, clear rules, good trader terms, and most importantly, they don't seem to be hiding behind a bunch of conditions. Now, scrolling down, we get into the meat of Funder Pro's offer, the challenges. This is where traders prove their edge and earn access to funded capital. Funder Pro offers 3 challenge types, all designed to match different trading styles and strategies. First up, the Fast Track One Phase Challenge. This one's built for experienced traders who want to skip the double phase grind. One phase, pass it, and you're funded. It's that simple. No hoops to jump through. It's the same price as the 2-phase option, which is a nice touch if you're confident in your approach. Next is the regular 2-phase challenge, which comes with higher leverage, fewer restrictions, and no max lot limits. This one's ideal for day traders or anyone who thrives in fast intraday setups where flexibility is key. And finally, there's the Swing 2-phase challenge. This one's tailored for longer-term traders. You can hold trades over news and weekends, ride trends, and even trade crypto on weekends, which not many firms allow. What's nice is that all challenge types come with the same core perks. Daily payouts, 80% profit split, no trailing drawdown, and yes, they fund you with real money on live accounts, not just simulated conditions. This setup is actually really smart. They're clearly catering to different kinds of traders, whether you're aggressive, conservative, or trend-focused. Now this section right here is what really makes Funder Pro stand out from the crowd. They call it their Pro Trader Standard. Let's break this down. They're directly comparing themselves to the industry average, and the differences are pretty wild. While most firms make you wait 7 to 30 days for a payout, Funder Pro processes payouts multiple times a day. And that first payout? With others, you're waiting a week or even a month. Here, 0 seconds. As soon as you're eligible, you get paid instantly. They also address one of the biggest concerns in prop trading, liquidity and manipulation. With traditional firms, the money often comes from challenge fees, meaning they're incentivized by you failing. But at Funder Pro, they say your payout comes directly from your actual trading profit. with 100% payout guarantee. No games. Another big one, your counterpart. Normally, it's the prop firm itself acting as the counterparty to your trades, meaning they technically profit when you lose. But here, it's the live market, which means they're routing your orders to real liquidity providers. That reduces conflict of interest and makes for a more transparent environment. And finally, they even touch on market manipulation risks, saying it's absent under their model, which again is a massive green flag for traders who've been burned by shady execution or odd price spikes. All in all, this section is their pitch that Funder Pro is built for serious professional traders, not just those chasing the next flashy challenge. As we scroll further down, Funder Pro keeps hammering home their main point. This is real capital, not just clever marketing, and they're not wrong to emphasize it. The headline says it all: funding with real capital. Why should I care? And the answer is pretty straightforward. They're not just selling you a dream of being funded, they're actually giving you access to live STP accounts. That means your trades go straight to the market, not into some internal simulation. And with that setup, you can request a payout anytime you've made at least $50 in profit. No long delays, no once-a-month schedule. You can even request multiple payouts in one day. And again, they stress 3 core promises. Payouts whenever you want. Guaranteed payouts, safety from market manipulation. The big picture here is that they're trying to build a long-term relationship based on trust, not just churn through challenge fees like many prop firms are accused of doing. If you've been burned by firms that felt rigged or shady, this kind of model is honestly a breath of fresh air. Alright, now we land on the account selection page, and this is where you can choose the type of challenge and account size that suits your trading goals. You've got options for one phase, regular 2-phase, and swing 2-phase, each with different leverage levels and asset access. Below that, you can select your account size, ranging anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to $200,000. Now, I won't go through every single tier or setting one by one because honestly, that'd take forever. But what's important is that each plan is clearly laid out and you can easily compare things like profit targets, daily drawdown limits, and pricing right here. The key takeaway is this: whether you're a high volume trader or just looking to scale gradually, there's probably a challenge model and funding size that fits your style. So make sure to check this part out on your own and run the numbers based on your risk tolerance and trading approach. Right below that, there's a section showing real payout certificates from funded traders, and it scrolls horizontally so you can see multiple examples. These aren't just numbers, they show account size, payout time, and exact dollar amounts. It's a smart move because it backs up their claims with visible results, and it definitely helps build trust for anyone still on the fence. Before we wrap things up, Funder Pro also includes a handy FAQ section right at the bottom. You'll find answers to the most important trader concerns, like maximum daily drawdown, which is set at 5% for regular and swing accounts and 4% for the one phase. Info on payout frequency. Spoiler, you can request payouts anytime you're in profit. News and weekend holding. And yes, you can even use trading bots if that's part of your edge. It's nice to see this level of transparency up front without having to dig through pages of documentation or wait for support to respond. Alright traders, that wraps up our deep dive into Funder Pro, and honestly, they've made a strong case. From real capital funding to instant payouts and now commission-free trading across the board, they're clearly not just trying to follow the industry, they're trying to lead it. Whether you're a scalper chasing momentum, a swing trader holding through the weekend, or an algo trader looking for no restrictions, there's a challenge here, built for your style. If you're thinking about getting started, don't forget to use my code FXGEEK at checkout to get 10% off your challenge. That discount is live right now, and you'll find the direct link down in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown or if it helped you make a decision, smash that like button, subscribe to the FX Geek, and let me know in the comments what firm or tool you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching, good luck with your trading, and as always, trade smart, not emotional. See you in the next one.